Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode in my Unreal Engine open world tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to do this. First I'm going to break down when I jump to the ledge. Like before, it doesn't automatically move up the ledge. So in order to do that I have to press up forward movement key like this. So when I do that, the character do a test to see if there is anything blocking in front of the character where he is hanging. So that time there was nothing blocking. So if I hang in here, the character doesn't move because as you can see there is something blocking. It can't stand up on the ledge. So that's the part I'm gonna do today. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so right now when I jump to the ledge, it's like this. So first I'll stop automatically climbing up the ledge. Actually, to do that, all I have to do is this. This is the climbing up. All I have to do is escaping that part. Like this. Now my character stays there. So now I want to implement when I press right or left, the character should be able to move on the ledge. So alright, so now in my in my movement inputs, I have implemented this switch based on the movement state. So now I have connected movements inputs only if I am walking. So to enable moving left and right, what I have to do is this. I'm gonna have to connect this on wall to in this move right event. With this on wall output I need to add movement input, but I should do so only if there is the ledge into the right side or to the left side, otherwise I will be moving in the space. So I'll just connect it like this just to show what I mean. So now that I am not doing any kind of a check to see whether there is a ledge, I can continue on to the left or right. So I'll just, if I move like this, see I can go in the ledge. Even without a ledge I can go. And also there is a problem in my blend space. Let's fix that too. In this on wall state, right, this is the blend space. Okay, the problem is here the hands are here and in these animations hands are there. Let's quickly fix that. Let's go to the left view. As the reference I'll put the code like me sign here. This is very convenient. Now let's open the other animations also. Shimmy animations, bridge and shimmy. Right, this. Let me stop it here and move it down from the hips like this, and add a key. Right, no issue. Apply and do the same to the right shimmy movement. Move down, add a key and apply. Everything looks alright. Let's check in the perspective mode. Yeah, everything is okay. Now let's check. Oh, it's not alright. Alright, it is okay. The problem is the direction I am at in the movement. So let's fix it now. What is this can move? Is it something in this is regarding the ready function. Let's put this part before it comes here. Right. Okay, now let's first deal with climbing up part. So here in the move forward, I'll add the reroute node first, and then let's collapse this into another node. I'll call this climb up. Climb up. Okay, now here we need to check. So let's say I am hanging in the ledge like this, and first I need to check whether I can move to the this upside of the ledge, because I have to make sure that there is no any object that my character is blocking here. So first I'll do a line trace check. Well, let me explain with a screenshot. So when I'm like this, oh sorry, let me put this code, let me sign back. Okay, now when I'm like this, let me take a screenshot. first I'll do a line trace in this direction to see if anything is hitting here. If anything is not hitting, then I'll do a line trace downwards to see if I have a solid surface here. If I got one, then I'll move my character to the up the ledge. Okay, I hope that explanation is clear what I'm trying to do. Now here let's do line trace by channel, or maybe it's better to do a capsule trace so that I can check if the whole character can fit in. There is a capsule trace. I haven't tried that before. Let's see. So the starting point would be, let's see, we are hanging on the ledge. How much below? I need to check. "27 units below." Okay, so that means I should start get actor location plus here we need another one, 27 plus, oh, we can do it in the same, remove it, 27 plus the height of the capsule. Half height is 88, so then the height is 176. 176 plus 10 is 27, that means 176, 86, 96, 203. Okay, so that's the start position, and the end position is get actor forward vector, multiply this by the radius of the character into 2, that means 120, and add it to this one. Now the radius is, get the capsule radius and the half height is get half scaled capsule half height. Its visibility channel would be, let's use the camera channel. Enable this one too. Okay, now let's see if we get any oh, how did it check even before I jump, even before I go to world state? Alright, I was keep pressing the forward button, so that's why it was checked. Okay, so let's keep the, where is it, climb up, check duration for 1 frame so that we can easily test it. Why it's not going away? Alright, I think we should use this can move. That means set ready function that we have in order to fix this situation, because I should not try to move up while I am jumping. So this set, I set the can move in toggle movement. Right, so yeah, how to fix it? Where do I update to the on wall state? Right here. No, not there. Here. Okay, so let's do it here. Toggle movement. Interface call, I'll call false here, and after this animation is played, no, not there, I should call it here. And after I move to I'm done moving to the ledge, I'll call toggle movement. Interface call with true to enable movements. Right, now let's see. Still I checked. Why? Oh, wait a minute. I should do it like this. Disable it when I begin playing this animation montage. Play this, and then this is the landing on the ledge animation. What is this? Oh, this returns the length of the animation. So let's add a delay in this length, and then let's toggle movement true. Now it shouldn't check before I land. Oh, it still did. Why? Alright, the reason is this. Actually, nothing wrong with my code. Actually, it is wrong. The problem is in my code. So here I'm not testing, so even this function is called even if the value is 0. So first I should check before doing this test if, no, we need the axis value here. to a branch. If this value is not equal to 0, I should do this if it is only not equal to 0. Right, now there will not be auto checks. Yeah, just like I said. Now if I press W, there will be a line trace, but as you can see, the capsule check is quite high. I don't need to check actually that high. Why is that? Let's try something like 170, 180 here. Still, it's too high. Did I do my calculation in a wrong way? 88, 176. Let's try it like this. Okay, that would be alright. So now if this returns false, that means nothing is blocking my character. Then what I have to do is climb up function. Well, actually I don't have a climb up function yet, so what I have to do is this part here, the disconnected part. Play in this montage and then set the movement state back to working. So I'll cut this and paste here. Only if the return value is false. Now I need to make sure that I am not repeating this part again and again before climbing up. So I'll add a do once node here, and after this part is done, I'll reset it. If this is true also, I need to reset it. Okay, now let's check. All right. Okay, it is working. Now let's see if I place some block here, something to block the character like this. Let's see what happens. See, that is being blocked, so character is not moving up. Okay, so in the next time I want to implement move left, move right parts, and I'll do that in the next episode. So if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. The link would be in the description below. Also, I released the project file of this character customization I developed, and also another episode in the third-person shooter, so you can access them in the Patreon page. And also I'll release the project file of this update soon. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.